What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on RGT Rari governance token, which has pumped up in value quite crazy, 81% up guys, making it $2.20. As you can see, the pump did come from the last couple of hours, going from literally $1.39 all the way up to $2.20 right now, a major increase in value. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher, covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. And especially as it's pumped up so much, is it going to straight away drop back down, or is it going to keep going up in value? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. In the last 24 hours, we can see the market has just about gone up 0.2%, nothing too major. However, RGT has managed to gain the second spot in the top gainers list, which is absolutely insane. So it's been performing very, very well. In the last day, 80% up. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 36% in a single hour, which is absolutely crazy guys. Over the week, it has gone up 51%. You can see it dropping a little bit for most of the week. However, right now it is pumping back up, and over the month it is unfortunately down 21% guys. We can see major drops here on the 21st of October, and overall it has been slowly and steadily dropping in value. Even after this pump, it is still down 21%, which is not looking too good over the last 4 weeks. But when you look at the weekly and daily and hourly chart, it looks all good. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 3,400% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.1 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on RGT. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 90% buy against 10% sell. So yeah, a huge amount of money is currently being invested into RGT, and minority of the people, 10%, are selling it, potentially taking out their profits and looking to reinvest when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of RGT, which at the moment is $1.66. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value at $2.07, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart and see what is likely to take place. Again, we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep, and again, this is not realistic at all. Only reason for that is obviously it has pumped up quite a bit over the last 3, 4, 5 hours. A huge increase has taken place, so the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting the crypto to have a minimal drop in value overall. So again, yes, we may see green candles, we may see red candles. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. And again, the only reason for that is, I've mentioned this plenty of times in my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here over the last 3 hours, the crypto has to take a little step back, it has to take a little dip, and the exact same applies here. And as you can see, the dip has already started to take place. We can see 2 red candlesticks appearing here, meaning it is slowly starting to drop back down already, and it is likely to drop further over the coming hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days very similar, still got the blue and the orange line going in a steep direction, in a positive direction, looking very steep. So again, it is not realistic. So over the next 7-8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall decrease in value on RGT once again, guys. So again, do expect it to drop below the $1.80, potentially hovering around its SMA indicator. $1.50 is what I'm expecting over the next 7-8 days. However, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green and it's red, and obviously it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome at this point seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're not looking as steep as the previous charts, but we do have the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking just about going in a bullish direction, just about slanting, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming weeks. So mid-December to late December, so potentially towards the end of the year, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value on RGT is what my predictions are as of right now. Potentially heading to around the $3 mark is what I'm predicting. However, this may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across. Obviously, crypto has been quite volatile, not recently, but overall in 2022. So if we do see any major drops, like Bitcoin dropping down to 10-15k, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market, including RGT. However, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up to about 35k, 40k, or whatever it is, then we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. And anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, there isn't much we can do here. Only reason for that is we are trading in the red zone. Not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone. For us to hit the green zone or even the resistance target here, we're gonna have to hit $18.40, which I'm not expecting from RGT anytime soon, because that's going to require us to go through at least around 800 to 900% increase, which I'm not expecting from this crypto. More or less is very likely rest of this year, most of next year, it is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, moving upwards, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far on red zone it is over the next potentially 12 to 15 months. But yeah guys, these are my takes and my predictions on RGT. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.